When you realize that you can create the life and happiness you desire, regardless of your life circumstances, and that no one on this earth can prevent you from creating the highest version of yourself, your thoughts are in complete alignment with your genetic structure. When you are not taking good care of your mind, you fall out of alignment with your genetic structure. Imagine your mind being like a huge movie screen and the four toxins are like cans of spray paint. And every time you experience a microaggression or see a negative image in the media or hear negative things about your man-made race, or consistently see and hear positive things and images about other man-made races, the paint sticks to the screen and over time starts to block your view of all the good things about yourself, your man-made race, and the good things about life. It blocks the power of your genetic structure, creativity, and motivation. And it can cause paralysis, leaving you in a man-made race rut for years or even a lifetime. Healing, cleansing your mind, and strengthening your self-concept is like removing the black paint from the screen. Each day you remove a little more and more and start feeling more powerful, joyful, and fully alive. Each day, more and more paint chips off the screen, and you start creating the highest version of yourself. And you see more clearly the vision for your life and how to create it. The downward pull of prejudiced people and the race games of governments and societies and cultures become like spray paint being sprayed into the sky. The race games can no longer harm your mind because they don't stick to the screen. The paint fades away into the atmosphere because you are too big for the paint to stick to your screen. You have become unbreakable. The major takeaways from today's journey are: to unlock my unlimited potential, I have to go inward into my mind. The first step to creating the highest version of myself is to take better care of my mind. Mental hygiene is treating my mind like my body has something that needs to be cleaned and conditioned on a regular basis. Every human being alive is genetically designed to live out their imagination instead of living out the limitations of their man-made race or past history and experiences. When you realize that you can create the life and happiness you desire, regardless of your life circumstances, no one on earth can prevent you from creating the highest version of yourself. You are in complete alignment with your genetic structure. Remember the unbreakable anthem. We are genetically designed to be powerful, happy creators. So we must use our power and never view ourselves as a victim to anyone or anything. With a plan and consistent action, everything we want to be, do, and have is possible. If we are sad, we need a happiness plan. If we are unfocused, we need a focus plan. If we are overweight, we need a fitness plan. If we are uneducated, we need an educated plan. If we are broke, we need a money plan. If we are afraid, we need a courage plan. If we are sick, we need a wellness plan. If we are lonely, we need a relationship plan. Everything good in life starts by taking steps in the right direction. So take action and do the 3 steps for today's session. Until next time, stay conscious. Don't get lost in the illusion of race. You are the highest creation on earth. What one human being can do, all human beings can do. You are second to none. So keep the power and stillness in your mind and the love and happiness in your heart. Life is a balance between individualism and collectivism. So be kind to each other and help one another. Now use your power and get out there and learn and do whatever you need to create the life and happiness you desire and deserve. I'm out.